Hello again, this is Amiel, the Chief Creative Officer here at WaterField Designs. I want to start off by saying thank you. We received over 700 survey responses and they were so thoughtful, so specific, so well researched, and it was really fun reading through them, and it's just like, we're so grateful to have this community. And I just wanted to say, we hear you, we see your ideas, we see your needs, and we see your concerns. You've made it very clear that there is a need for this modular bag. Most of you want the hotel to meeting bag, which is a big bag that you can take to your hotel, and then the smaller bag to take directly to meetings or to your conference. And then a good bunch of you want a bag for the entire day. You have a big bag that you take to the office, and a smaller bag to take to satellite meetings around town. And then after work, you have access to all your gym gear. Thank you for your great ideas. Here are the top features that you mentioned. Smaller bag or modular system. Professional appearance. Space for 1 to 3 days of clothing. Dedicated tech organization. Underseat or personal item compatibility. Luggage pass-through. Comfortable carry options. Structured but lightweight construction. And quick access organization. We will consider all of these features, but there is a delicate balance. Our challenge will be to create a bag with all of these features, but also one that is comfortable, lightweight, and efficient. With that in mind, we're considering different sizes and different ways of carrying the bag, whether it's handheld, over the shoulder, on a wheeled suitcase, or as a backpack. And to address organization, we're testing out packing cubes versus built-in compartments. We don't want to duplicate the setup that you already have. We want this 48-hour bag to be something truly special. And based on what you guys have said, I think we are onto something here. Please take the survey below and send us more of your insights and wonderful feedback, and then check back. We'll have something good in the works. Thank you, and see you later.